In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to shorten pauses in Descript. If you've ever found yourself in the middle of an editing project and wish that those long, awkward pauses between your words could magically disappear, you're in the right place. Descript, a fantastic tool for editing audio and video, makes this process incredibly simple and efficient. First, let's dive into your Descript project. Open it up and look for a section called Underlord. This might sound like a mysterious title, but don't let it intimidate you. Underlord is where the magic happens. It's a crucial feature in Descript that helps you manage not only your transcription needs, but also the timing of your audio or video files. Once you've navigated to Underlord, you'll need to click on the option that says Shorten Word Gaps. This clever tool is your best friend when it comes to creating a smooth and professional-sounding edit. With just a click, it allows you to adjust the timing of pauses without compromising the natural flow of conversation. This means you can tighten up your project, removing unnecessary silence that might detract from the engagement or pacing of your content. As you explore the Shorten Word Gaps function, you'll notice there's an adjustment slider. This tool lets you customize exactly how much you want to shorten those gaps. Whether you're dealing with slight hesitations or lengthy pauses, this customization ensures that the final product meets your needs and style. You can experiment with the slider until you find the sweet spot. This flexibility is one of Descript's greatest strengths, allowing you to inject the perfect level of flow and dynamism into your project. A little tip to keep in mind, sometimes less is more. It's great to reduce unnecessary pauses, but be sure you aren't cutting too much, as maintaining a natural rhythm is just as important for keeping your audience engaged. And here's a bonus pro tip. There's a button called Shorten All. Once you're satisfied with the adjustments you've made on individual sections, hitting this button will apply those same settings across your entire project. It's an incredibly efficient way to ensure consistency across your work without having to go through each segment manually. By following these steps, you'll find that creating polished, professional sound and video pieces becomes not only quicker, but also much easier. With Descript, you have the power to transform raw audio into a tightly edited masterpiece in just a few simple steps. By mastering the ability to shorten pauses seamlessly, you are already on your way to producing content that sounds clear, concise, and custom-tailored to your audience. Without those awkward silences, your content will not only sound better, but also keep your viewers engaged from start to finish. That's how to make the most of this powerful feature in Descript. Happy editing!